If you are a lift owner or building manager, you have the responsibility to make sure your lift is safe to use. It is essential that lift maintenance services are carried out on a regular basis. From our offices in Linlithgow, we cover the whole of Scotland, and you can trust us to get the job done quickly and efficiently. With our 24/7 cover, you can rest assured our team can make sure your lift is in safe and working condition. We provide the highest customer service level, and our engineers are MVQ3 qualified, as well as Safe Contractor approved and CHAS certified. We also work with independent testing companies who are fully accredited by UCAS for testing, inspection and certification. For more information, visit our website at www.eternalelevators.co.uk. You can also call our team on 01506 840 816.